listening to the eyes. It's a unique approach that combines the Bates method, working with the eyes, with a healthy way of seeing eye exercise, but not only eye exercise. So this is the physical aspects of the seeing and the eyes. And the other approach that we combine in our work is the emotional and mental work that regards the eyes and treat the roots and the causes of the problem in the eyes, eye impediments or eye disease, and etc. So in our work and in our session, we are combining, if it's necessary, we're combining these two approaches, the physical approach and the emotional and mental approach. The main tool that we use, called the conversation with the eyes. We are actually doing conversation with the eyes, and it's quite an amazing and very surprising to see how accurate and how deep and wonderful the information that we receive from the eyes, and this information can really help us to heal our eyes and to improve our vision. My name is Anat Axelrod, and I discovered this approach and I work with it. I train people to give treatment in listening to the eyes, and I do it more than 19 years. So I have a lot of experience with all kinds of eye impediments, vision impediments, and eye disease. I'll be happy to assist you and to speak with your eyes and help you to listen to your eyes and see how can we help you.